Mungkin mau dia beli. Lah. Ah. Muna-mura dah. Atong chicken dito. Kuha ba mo? Good morning everyone. Isang daro man today multiple choice ra ni pero identification sila ko na night liter everyday. Okay, number 1. It is the main sanction by the rules of court of ascertaining in a judicial proceeding that truth respecting a matter of fact which includes but are not limited to documentary, testimonial, electronic, and object evidence gathered in the course of investigation. A. Base evidence rule. B. Real or object evidence. C. Evidence. D. Testimonial evidence. Letter A. Base evidence rule. Letter B. Real or object evidence. Letter C. Evidence. Letter D. Testimonial evidence. Number 2. The following are the threefold aims of investigation except to identify the suspect, to locate the suspect, to provide evidence of his guilt, or to identify the victim. D. Letter A. To identify the suspect. Threefold aims mo daw. Diba na itong to identify the suspect. Mga number 1. Number 2. To locate the suspect. Number 3. To provide evidence of his guilt. Number 4, to identify the victim. Asa may labot na sa tulo. Sa triple of investigation. Di ba na yung sana mo? To identify the suspect. Number 1, to locate the suspect. To provide evidence of his guilt. O to identify the victim. Asa may labot na sa tulo. Aupat. Kaya triple M's of investigation mo na. Nagabisi ka doon na. Kaya mga dyan ay diangay ni mong kalimutan, yung mga pulis ka mo na yung mong guy. Triple M's of investigation mo na, ano dyan na kalimutan yung gawas din na sa board. To identify the suspect, to locate the guilty party, and to provide evidence of guilt, and to identify the victim. Asa may labot na. Okay, number 3. The blank should be based on the truth founded on evidence. A primary duty of courts is to conduct proper proceeding so as to hear and consider evidence. A. Court decision. B. Investigation. C. Custodial investigation. And D. Crime scene investigation. The blank should be based on the truth founded on evidence. A primary duty of court is to conduct proper proceeding so as to hear and consider evidence. A. Court decision. B. Investigation. C. Custodial investigation. And crime scene investigation. Kasabot naman mo na yung gingon dyan, analyze sa kadyan kung asa siya applicable. Diba? Nag-isgot na kung tao. Nag-isgot na tao. Should be based on the truth founded on evidence. A primary duty of the court sa ato pa na sa korte nga kuan kanang buhat din na wala na sa custodial investigation wala na sa crime scene investigation ang court na ay kuan na grabe di makakuha na ang pilianan A. Court decision. B. Investigation. C. Custodial investigation. D. Crime scene investigation. Or the so-called law of evidence is made up of the following except 1. Procedural regulation. B. Presentation of facts. C. Presentation of suspect to media. And D. Presentation of documents or physical objects. The so-called law of evidence is made up of the following except procedural regulation, presentation of facts, presentation of suspect to media, presentation of documents or physical object. Nasa may negative diha nga hindi mo pwede ko nun. Buhaton. A. Procedural regulation. B. Presentation of facts. C. Presentation of suspect to media. Presentation of documents of physical evidence. Sa D. Number 5. It is any type of evidence that is real or has an objective existence. It has dimension, size, or shape. It can be seen. Pwede makita, matouch, ma-smell, or tasted. It is solid, semi-solid, or liquid. These are evidence that address to the senses of the court. Documentary evidence, base evidence rules, demonstrative evidence, or object or real evidence. Basic na nito analyze naman mo.
Letter A.
Letter A, documentary evidence. Letter B, evidence rule. Letter C, demonstrative evidence. And letter D, object and real evidence. Imong makita, imong simhot, imong mahikap. Kung sa may pasabot, analyze nyo mo. Makuha na ni mo kung sa answer na. Pinanay, kuhaan di ako, na ay clue. No. Number 6, the following are the biological fluids except explosive debris, B. Blood, C. Saliva, D. Semen. The following are biological fluids except explosive debris, blood, saliva, semen. Kasabot na mo ang unsa ka dyan yung wari labot gas. Pa, kaya arang ka na si mong lawas na makita na iban. Semen. And following are explosive incendiaries except arson debris, explosive debris, ang B, vaginal fluids, ang C, explosive substance. Ibalira. Oh. The following are explosive incendiaries daw, except arson debris, vaginal debris fluids. Kasabot siguro mo ng vaginal. Explosive debris o explosive substance.
Mahihilig na sir.
Oh. Hilig ko siya mga nauwan. Number 8, the following are examples of miscellaneous evidence except cigarette butts, tire prints, fingernails, matches. D. The following are examples of miscellaneous evidence except cigarette butts, tire prints, fingernails, D. Matches. Example of miscellaneous evidence except mo gyapon makuha no, cigarette butts kasabot mo. Tire press, ligid, isang kuan. Fingernails, matches, pusporo. Grabe, hindi mo kakuha na nalagay cigarette butts kung sa pamay mo kunin ka na. Napay matches. So. Ang wala labot na except man. No, yung para na ikunin ng tulo, asa pwede nyo makuha niya. Example ng miscellaneous evidence.
Sa B o C sir?
Ang B, tire prints. Ang C, fingernails. Pwede mo na siya may mga ebidensya. Pero miscellaneous evidence. Example ng evidence. Number 9. The main sources of evidence except victim, suspect, crime scene, D. Investigation room. The main sources of evidence except victim, A. Suspect, B. Crime scene, C. D. Investigation room. Sabot naman na. main sources of evidence. Naaba sa suspect, naaba sa victim, naaba sa crime scene, tuwa ba sa investigation room. Sabot mo na mo sa investigation room. Number 10. Usually in a form of charts and diagrams, demonstrate or illustrate the testimony of a witness. It's possible when unfairly and accurately reflects the witness testimony and is more probative than prejudicial. Maps, diagrams of the crime scene, charts and graphs that illustrate physical or financial injury to a plaintiff. A. Demonstrative evidence. B. Real evidence. C. Testimonial evidence. D. Documentary evidence. Kasabot mo ng upat ng mga kuan, kasabot mo siya ni. Usually in a form of charts and diagrams. Chart ba kanang diagram. Demonstrate or illustrate the testimony of a witness. Sa ato pagi, kuan dito, drawing, usunan di, kuan dia. It's possible when unfairly and accurately reflects the witness testimony and is more probative than prejudicial. Maps, diagrams of the crime scene, charts, and graphs that illustrate physical or financial injury to a plaintiff. A. Demonstrative evidence ba na siya? B. Real evidence ba na? C. Testimonial ba na siya? O D. Documentary ba siya? Papel ba na siya? O C. Testimonial ba? Isulti ba ka? Ang question dire, diagrams man, demonstrate, illustrate. Ato pa, isa lang gikuan. Kuha na lang siya gisulti. Muna number 10. Ang pilihan, letter A, demonstrative evidence. Letter B, real evidence. Letter C, testimonial evidence. Ang letter D, documentary evidence. Mo sa na ikaroon, number 10. Ato na, wala, chika, no, kisir ka ko, rin yung score ka ko. Eh, para may bawaan po. Sige. Pag-change mo kay para walang boom. Sige, ang number 1 is letter C, evidence. Letter C siya. Ang number 2, threefold aims of investigation na at to identify, to locate, and to provide evidence. Ang wala bot, to identify the victim, wala bot, letter D. Number 3 is court decision. Yan na naman sa korte. Letter A. Ang number 4 is letter C. Yan na yung decision of suspect to media. Letter 5, number 5 is real evidence, object, kayo mo nagong matas. Number 5, letter D. Number 6, letter A. Ang number 7, letter B, vaginal fluid. Ang number 8, tire press, letter B. Tire press, letter B. Ang number 6, letter A, explosive debris. Ang number 9, investigation room. Ang ganyan victim, suspect, crime scene. May lang ang investigation room. Ang number 10, demonstrative. Number 10A. Number 7, letter B, vaginal fluid. Ngayon, yung score ngayon. Pass.
Ito na lagi mo go. Ito na number 124, 1245.
Hindi lang ang score.
Kuan Muslim yung kuan.
Lipo mo.
Lipo daw
124.
Wait, ay. Pero, check, dito ang number ito.
At least namin kanadlaw nga makuha nga kuha.
Hindi na kita pagdikit.
Oo.
Iris mo na.
Kung makalimot mo, tanaw lang po mo sa YouTube channel, sa Kakurso TV. Taan ito ang kuhan. Ha? Kakurso. Kaya pareham tag mga kurso. Thank you. That's all for this morning, guys.